In this video, let's remove the bottom cover of the Pentax 645. The tools that will be needed are a 000 bit and a pair of tweezers. There are going to be 6 screws on the bottom of the body to remove, 2 here, 2 near the tripod socket, and 2 under the rewind knob. In addition, there's 2 screws, 1 on either side of the body on the left and right here, as well as right here. In order to remove the bottom cover, the first step is to remove the rewind knob. I like to use the end of my tweezers, but a coin will also work. And after it's removed, you'll see the other 2 screws. Okay, so to start removing the screws, just jump right into it. And all these screws are different, so I highly recommend to keep track of which screws go where. And you'll notice that I'm not removing the battery that's underneath here. It's not necessary. Once you remove the bottom cover, you'll have access to the battery. This step is also very useful to access the battery if for whatever reason you cannot access the door. So one of the things you'll notice that as I'm removing the 2 screws near the tripod socket, they're quite long. And the screws near the rewind knob socket are a little bit different, so it is easier to keep track of the screws, but find your way of doing it. There are going to be 2 small metal sleeves that are near the tripod socket that should come out. And the best way to do it is just to tip over the camera and let the 2 pieces fall out in your hand. I'll remove the 2 screws on the side. Now, this is also a very simple process. This is the left-hand side. You'll notice that there's 2 screws. You don't need to remove both. You just need to remove one that's attached to the bottom cover. The other screw on top is attached to the top cover. And as you do that, you might notice some of the pieces start to shift around. This is okay. You can, at this point, tip over the bottom and let the rewind knob come out. Okay. Now let's move to remove the other screw on the right-hand side for the bottom cover. The screw for the top cover is behind the aperture lever, and that again does not need to be removed at this moment. All right, so we've got all screws removed. Now we can proceed with removing the bottom cover. One thing to note is what I've noticed after disassembling a few of these bodies is it's likely that if the body has never been disassembled before, there's going to be an adhesive pressure-sensitive strip on either side that might create some friction when trying to remove the body. So don't worry about it at the moment, but you might notice that as you try to pull off the bottom cover, it might feel like there's something here, and we'll probably experience that with this body. So just follow along and hopefully you'll be able to do this successfully. The key thing here is we have the loose tripod socket down here. We have a battery, and in order to remove the bottom cover, we generally just pry it from back here. Now, the first thing that'll create resistance is the lens removal lever. So the best thing to do is to press the lens removal lever and then try to lift up the body cover. So I generally keep my left hand on here, and then I press with the right hand and start to pry up. You'll notice that the tripod socket has dropped down now and it's now loose. And then we just give it a little bit of force and then it pries off. Okay, let's remove the tripod socket and let me remove the battery. And just to show you there is a little bit of adhesive right here, and that's gonna cause the top plate to stick a little bit as you take it off. And there's some more adhesive on this side as well. Okay. With that in mind, the bottom cover is now fully removed, and you can proceed to your next step in your repair or continue with the top cover removal. All right, that completes the bottom cover removal of the Pentax 645.